Hello everyone, myself Arjun Pal and I'm pursuing my first SEM in Computer Science and Engineering in Cybersecurity from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we're going to discuss about Python programming in our day-to-day lives. Welcome to the comprehensive introduction to Python programming. In this presentation, we'll cover the fundamentals of Python, including syntax, data types, and control structures. Python is commonly used for developing websites and software, task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. So, why only Python? Python is a versatile and user-friendly programming language. It is widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many more. Its simplicity and readability make it popular among beginners and professionals alike. Since it's relatively easy to learn, Python has been adopted by many non-programmers such as accountants and scientists for a variety of everyday tasks like organizing financially. Now we talk about syntax and variables. In Python, the syntax is clean and easy to learn. Variables are used to store data and their dynamic typing allows for flexibility. Understanding these concepts is crucial for writing effective Python codes. Every variable has a name which can consist of letters, numbers, and underscore character. Now we talk about data types in Python. So what are data types? Data type is a built-in function that returns the type of the objects or data elements stored in any data type or returns a new type object depending on the arguments passed on the function. Python supports various data types such as integers, floats, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Each data type has its own characteristics and uses, which are essential for data manipulation and analysis. So what are control structures? In Python, control structures are an essential part of programming that allows you to specify the flow of execution in your code. In Python, there are several types of control structures such as if-else statements, loops, and functions are essential for program flow control and reusability. Understanding how to use these structures effectively is key to writing efficient program of Python. So, what are the functions and modules? Functions allow for modularity and code reusability, while modules provide a way to organize code into separate files. Understanding how to create and use functions and modules is crucial for building scalable Python applications. Now let us talk about file handling. Python provides various file handling capabilities for reading from and writing to files. Understanding how to work with these files is crucial for data input or output and persistence in Python applications. It is very common to get an error while programming. So let's talk about error handling. Error handling in Python involves using try except blocks to manage and respond to exceptions. Proper error handling is essential for writing robust and reliable Python codes. Now talking about best practices of Python coding. Adhering to best practices such as code reliability, documentation, and testing is essential for writing high quality Python codes. Following these practices ensures code maintainability and collaboration. Lastly, we have come to the conclusion. In conclusion, this presentation provided a comprehensive overview of Python programming. Python's simplicity and versatility make it a powerful language for various applications. I hope this introduction has inspired you to explore Python further. And this brings us to an end of the presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I hope you find the video helpful, so please do like this video and do share it with your friends. Thank you.